I'm Donna Eden, and I have been in the field of energy medicine for 40 years. And the 10 years before that, I was working with energy medicine on myself to heal myself.
And I'm David Feinstein. I'm a clinical psychologist. And for the last 15 years, I've been integrating energy work into clinical psychology with great results, partially by Donna's influence.
And we have been asked quite a few times, can you apply energy techniques with your partner to a relationship to make it better, to make it restored again?
One of the ways to do that is that you can take the basic techniques and you can just do them together. There's a daily energy routine that we teach, and you can do that together. Just by doing that together, it begins to align your energies. Then there are also other ways. One of them is that there are techniques that you do with the partner. They're designed to be done with the partner, and they really make a difference when you do that with your partner. And we're going to demonstrate one of our favorite ones, which is called the Spinal Flush.
Okay, so the Spinal Flush is you are going to go down either side of the spine. First, I'm going to just cross that energy over, because if you cross the energy over first, then whatever technique you do with that person, it works much better, at least twice as good.
And this is a great one if you've gotten into an argument.
Yeah.
Rather than continuing the argument, just give one another a spinal flush.
So I am massaging next to the spine on each side, little tiny push-ins and circles all the way down, and it clears the neurolymphatic reflexes, which means toxins and upsets and emotional turmoil and anger, whatever it is. It's leaving your body, and it is wonderful. And nobody would have to ask you, or you would not have to be told that it worked. You'd say, oh my God, I feel great. I feel great. It's a great one. And even if I'm really angry and I'm giving this to him, my anger does not go into his body. It does not go into his body. This is one of those places in the body where the body does not absorb. And for David, he knows I was angry at him, and so for him, he gets to feeling very touched by the fact that I'd still give this to him. So it's a real bonding technique. Okay, come back.
So what it does is that if you've had an argument and you have the ability to stop the argument and give each other a spinal flush, it's going to shift the energies completely between you. By the time you're done, you've basically forgotten why you were arguing. And it has this other quality that's very interesting. These particular points, it's not on the spine, but on the other side of the spine, these points do not absorb negative energy. Other points do. So you need to be careful when you're working on one another. But on these points, you can actually, being a little angry, gives you a little more juice to do a better job with it. So, so it's one that we wanted to share with couples out there. We share it with many couples.
Thank you.
Thank you.